How to change Roblox keybinds on PC. To change your Roblox keybinds on your PC or your laptop, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Roblox. After opening your Roblox, make sure that you've logged into your account. And after that, you just need to simply be in a game. So go and start a game. But make sure that you're going with your application because you can't play a game on your browser. So open up your Roblox app. You'll have this kind of interface. So if you go with escape or if you press escape, it will take you to the settings. So you just need simply go with the help section, which is on the top right, which has this kind of interface. You will have your character movement, your accessories, your camera movement, menu items, MISC. You'll have all of the other options, right? So in order to change the Roblox key bindings, you can just simply double tap on any one of these options to do change. So once you press the escape button, upon pressing the escape button, the game should pause and you'll present with a menu. Locate the settings button within the menu and open it. So you will have settings right here. Now locate the controls tab in the settings menu. Once you're here, you'll find different keyboard keys, each with its own binding. Simply double click on the binding you want to change and press the button you want to replace it with. So that's how you can change your Roblox key bindings on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.